What's up YouTube? It's your camera boy Jonah, and as you know or you know now, I'm doing this 30-day challenge where I upload a video to YouTube every day for 30 days. This is day 6, 5, actually don't remember. I'll see it when I check it on the computer. So today I want to talk about BAM! Wide angle lenses and using it in combination with people. This lens is a Canon 10 to 18mm. I did already like 2 videos with it. One is about the fact that it's a great vlogging lens, a great YouTube lens, and the other one was about using it to photograph. It was kind of like a cheap lens challenge, let's say. So I show you how I take awesome pictures with this lens. Now today I want to talk about using a wide angle lens to photograph people, which is something that is like not done often, but I really like it. I'm gonna show you now a little clip that I found where you can actually see the face of a person changing with every lens that will be put on the camera. So I'll roll it now. Alright, so I think wide angle lenses are really awesome to use, but there are some advantages, as for example, you can show a lot. Like this is 18mm, it's like my face might be a little bit better because of the less distortion, but with the 10 you get like this view, and let's say now it doesn't really matter, but if you're on an awesome place in the world and you want to show it to the people, then you want to put on your wide angle lens. Now there are some things that you have to watch out for when using it for people. For example, the distortion on the edges. As you can see, like my arm gets like wacky when I place it like here, or my head gets a little weird when I go to the top of the frame. So you always kind of want to keep your subject in the center of it. But I actually did a shoot with it today. Well, not with this lens. I did it with 11 to 20 2.8 Tokina lens. So that's the photos and video you will see. But it's the same principle. It's a wide angle lens. And I will tell you about the things I like and I don't like and the things to pay attention for. Alright, so a wide angle lens is not a lens that you would specifically use to shoot people. I actually really like it because you can do like more stuff with it than you would think. For example, like here, you want to show the environment, and as you can see now it's at 11mm. This is already 20, and you kind of lose the frame, like the reason why you went to this location. So that's a big advantage of shooting with wide angle lenses. Also, something that I really like about shooting with wide angle lenses is the fact that you're closer to the, like, you can almost touch the person that you're shooting with, and it's easier to communicate and makes you feel like less distance. Also, like the feel of the images is like that you were there, which I really like, instead of like this super bokeh look where you know that the guy used a super expensive lens and it feels less natural for you to view as a person. You do have to watch out for a couple of things when you're shooting with a wide angle. So as you can see now, when things go to the edge of the frame, it becomes distorted. So you want to keep your subject like in the middle of the frame. And actually you can use this distortion to create a positive effect, because as you can see here, like with the head, that's not really positive, but when I go up like this, then it's positive because the effect is on the legs, and this will make the legs of your subject longer and slimmer, so that's like a positive effect. Alright, the thing that you have to keep in mind when you're shooting with a wide angle is the fact that it's super wide. So for example, your lens strap might get in the shot, so you have to pay attention for that. Or even like yourself, your own legs could be in the shot. Which is actually something that I kind of like about it, because I want to experiment with the fact that maybe the photographer is in the shot and that you shoot like very wide and have like a leg or something of the person in the shot, because I don't know why, I kind of hate it that photographers always have to be like in the shadows, like a night creature, so it might be interesting to take some shots with a photographer involved. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, because I got 30 minus the videos I already did videos coming up, so like 24, 25, don't know. See you on the next one.